Have you ever wanted to earn $3,000 per month? I have great news for you. You can make an extra $3,000 per month from home all by sitting on your couch and browsing Reddit, tapping into the millions of Redditors who are waiting for you. You don't need any technical skills or previous experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $3,000 a month on Reddit with only 1 hour per day on the site. I've tested this method myself and it's really easy to do. Simply follow me and you'll be making money in no time. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make more than $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region, and if you have any questions please leave a comment below. Now, let's jump to our today video. Reddit is a social news aggregation, web content rating, and discussion website. It is known as the front page of the internet. Reddit has various subreddits that are dedicated to specific topics. These subreddits have their own rules and guidelines for what is allowed. They are also known as communities on Reddit. Reddit is one of the most popular social media platforms and a great place to get started out there. It has an extensive and engaged community, which makes it a great place to make money. You can create one simply by clicking on the Create Your Account button, then enter your username, password, and email address. Check your inbox for the confirmation email. Once you have created an account, it is time to start building your profile and start making money on it. I will show you how you do that in a very simple way. But before we go deeper, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's back to our video. First, how to be successful on Reddit. There are many ways to get a lot of upvotes on Reddit. One of them is to be creative, while another one is to have a good sense of humor. Redditors love content that is unique and that they can't find anywhere else. They also love content that makes them laugh or feel something emotionally. If you want to get popular on Reddit, you need to know the type of community you are posting in and what kind of content they like. Now, how to make money on Reddit. You can make money on Reddit through selling products or services in the subreddit marketplace. This marketplace allows you to sell anything you want as long as it follows the rules of the subreddit where you are selling it in. In the first step, I want you to go to Amazon.com and register as an associate. The Amazon Associates program is a great way to make money. It's also a great way for beginners to learn how to sell online. The Amazon Associates program has been around for more than 20 years and it pays out about $10 billion annually to its associates. The Amazon Associates program is an affiliate marketing program that lets you earn a commission by promoting products. As an Amazon associate, you can earn commissions by linking to products on Amazon. You'll earn a commission on anything your visitors buy from Amazon after clicking through one of your links. Now, I want you to choose only one niche to focus on, then get links for the products you need to promote within this niche. The second step is to find subreddits that are relevant to this niche. And start to create a post that gives value related to the products you promote. For example, if you're promoting health products, you can first write valuable information regarding a health issue. Then you can recommend the product you promote which will solve this health issue, and you can put your link in your post. So, anyone who reads your post and gets convinced of your recommended product and buys through your link, you will earn money. The Amazon Associates program pays out up to 8% of your total referral sales, depending on the product category, so it's worth learning how much you can earn with the program. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. I will share everything from the initial steps to the best methods for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Click the below links and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.